close enough. Well, all right, guys. It's only been a couple of hours for sure. That's why you can see it's all grown in already, right? It's just super manly of me or whatever. Yeah, so it's actually been quite a while, a few months or whatever. Just been editing the other stuff and whatnot. But I figured I'd do the old tour here. Here we are in the bathroom now. It's all done. It's all painted. Got this guy going. That's all right. Got this guy going up here. That's all right. And that part's not all right. That was by accident. I broke that the other day. I was cutting my own hair and shit just went out of control, went flying. You might have noticed I got a little thing there on the chest. I managed to pick up one of these guys. Just trying to make the audio levels more normal, right? Oh, speaking of audio levels, got somebody outside meowing, don't know who that is, right? Anyway, so we painted her up. We got all this stuff done. That's looking all right, looking good. This is looking okay. Don't pay attention to that. That was there before. Definitely didn't make that damage there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, let me show you the piece to resistance, right? And he's still looking at the screen, bud. Stop looking at the screen. Wow. Okay, so down here, got that guy going. This is custom, right? We cut that out. I mean, it's not, we didn't make it or nothing, but we've modified it to fit and then screwed her down because as you saw in the last video, people always likes to pull those up and go into the vents, right? And we can't be having that, especially in the winter with the heat going so hard. Here's the floor. Here's the under part there. That's looking all right. And then I don't know if you can see that very well, but we closed her right off with this piece of metal, little scrap metal, just to round off the edge, looking all right there. And then obviously the toilet was not changed. It was upgraded, but not changed. But yeah, so it's looking pretty good. We got this guy up here off of Amazing. The first one they shipped was kind of damaged up pretty good. So we sent that one back and then put that up there. It's really only just a pressed piece of like rusted garbage steel, but it looks all right if you don't look too close, and we don't. So that's good. Well, who's out there, right? What's going on, Pete? Should I let her in? Comment below. I'm not gonna wait for you. Forget about it. Nobody comments anyway. Little Peep. Oh, she's gone, right? Nobody there. Oh, she's up there. Hi, Peep. What's going on? She's just hanging out, right? Screaming outside the door, looking like a little land catfish. She helped a lot on the project, obviously. We got to be thanking her for that, mainly through vocal support. But yeah, so that's it, guys. That's the end of her. Got her all done. Got her all painted. It's looking pretty nice. Hopefully this thing's working, right? Because it's just banging her. Is she even recording? She's recording, guys. Yes. Yeah, I got that one for the birthday, right? Just because these things make it too much knocky noises, right? Like too much like shaking around. And it's obviously supposed to be like an audio camera, not to do that or whatever, but like I'm using like the shittiest little tripod thing there, so that's the way that she goes and that's the go that she weighs, right? So who knows how much she weighs or which way she's going or whatever or something or nothing. Anyway, the next project that's going to be on the way there is going to be building a shelf. It's going to be looking pretty good. I mean, I'm going to be building the second shelf because obviously I wouldn't show you the first build, right? That's just brutal. So anyway, I'll see you next time, and if you haven't already, just get at it, right? Okay, see ya. Like, favorite, subscribe. Got her. Take two. I don't like that one. Boil her down. Never be too certain. Silent there. My milkshake brings out the Boston. And they're like, it's better than. And I'm like, it's better than. Before it days.